One of the most common things to do in the land of thermal energy efficiency is to draft-proof single hinge doors, like we all have on the front and back of our homes. So the methods for doing that are basically to put a perimeter seal around the sides and the top and a draft excluder at the bottom. And the devices that best do this for 95% of cases are draft dodgers for doors and the RP3 on the bottom. Now the RP3 is good for only 16 millimeters of gap between the door and the threshold. So if you've got more than that, then you might want to build up the threshold with a tread plate. And the tread plate of choice is the RP4B. It's 11 millimeters high, it's already got the holes in it and the fixings are provided. So it's just a matter of cutting to length and screwing down onto the threshold. And so now let's have a look at the installation videos for those devices.